early morning down here in Toronto, Ontario. We're just back out on the Sea-Doos, going out for another adventure. Got my buddy from Due Diligence Fishing with me again. So today's adventure, getting a bit later on into the year now, so got some of my pants on, long-faded pants, and a little jacket. It's about 7 a.m. right now out on the water. We want to get out before the wind picks up today because we're going to go for a bit of an epic mission. Today we're going to try and go from Toronto, which is right there, all the way across Lake Ontario to Niagara Falls and go up the Niagara River a little bit and check that out. That's our mission for today, so I hope you'll stick around, see what we get up to. But I think this first little bit is going to be a lot of open water, so I've got my Navionics all set up on my phone here, and it's all mounted to the RAM mount. Please check out my other videos for a review of this system and the RAM mount. It's absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to zoom it out right now. Our goal is to get down to Niagara Falls, which is there, so we're going to cross all this water right now. So let's see what we get up to. Like I said, this first bit's going to be a bit of just open water running. Don't mind that. Stick around to near the end. That's where the good stuff will probably kick in. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this one. Stay tuned. We'll see what we're getting up to, and we're about to rip it out there. So let's go. Alright guys, we're about halfway across Lake Ontario now, and there is a nice wind and swell that has come up, which I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but it's a good 3 to 5, like look at this one coming in right here, right behind it. This is like gonna run down and then up. That's a good 3 to 4 foot drop for sure. So we're getting like 3 to 5 foot waves out here now. But Sea-Doos are doing great. I mean, a bit wet and some of that, but early mornings, right? That's fun. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. There's Toronto back there. And I'll see if I can turn. And where we're heading is just in the distance now. You can kind of start making out seeing where the entrance to Niagara Falls River is there. So. Alright, well, we're going to keep going. I haven't filmed much because it is quite rough, so I don't want to lose the camera. But you can tell by the bobbing that I'm doing that it is rough. So anyways, we're going to keep going, and I'll check in with you either once we get to the closer to the shore or sometime. Alright guys, we've made it to the mouth of the Niagara River. Absolutely insane coming across Lake Ontario there. Some 5 foot plus waves, so that was entertaining. Soaked to death, but well worth it. So we're gonna head down the Niagara River here. So right there is America. Hello Americans. About to head up the river a bit more, but we've already run into some current that is absolutely crazy. You get like these whirlpools and everything like that. And just look at that one just opened up. Absolutely incredible. So we'll see how this goes. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like the river's supposed to go that way, but it's coming back this way. Holy! That's crazy. Like, I'm not even turning, I'm just straight. This thing is spinning me like a top. Alright guys, well we've pretty much got to as far as I'm willing to go up this river because there's some massive rapids up there. And I am a chick. I'm like looking at that, I'm like, like even right here, I'm trying to be in a lull here and I'm getting just buffeted. It's incredible. Holy. Alright, well, see, look, I'm turning already, like, incredible. You gotta keep it about 10K just to, whoa, look at it, you hit a pocket and then you drift. Incredible. Absolutely nuts. Okay, let's try not to die. It's all for the video. Oh shit, I'm getting into the water here. Look at, like, I'm trying to hold this. Yo. Look at that. That's messed up. That's messed up. I don't know if you can even see up there. So it's about 40 to 50 feet deep, right where we are right here. And I'm doing about 4,000 RPM just to hold this thing in place. Crazy. Whirlpool right there. Like that's a 2-foot deep whirlpool going on. Insane. All right. I was following you, and then like you went through those really big ones, and then all of a sudden it started moving toward, like I was more to the wall. It started coming at me. And I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like literally shaking right now, bro.
This is not the place to fall off either.
Man, I'm like, oh, it's done. And I landed so hard on the seating, like, yeah, now it's like nothing. We're professionals now. Like, I honestly just want to kill the engine and float. just be like, ah, whatever. Although then you get into a whirlpool like this and you're like, oh shit. I will say these North Face pants have been great.
Like I had one, they hit me out of nowhere there. It's like I was under water.
Yeah, I know, it's nuts.
I got scared as shit. Man, son, hell, son.
What?
Get up to the conference.
Okay, that's regroup. I'm alright. This is all my blooper footage now. I don't know what to tell you. I've got like this much battery, so I'm just trying to waste it and see what happens. I got no more battery. We'll do it when we recoup. Here, we can drift from here.
Huh?
Just drift. Huh? I've killed my engine. I don't know if you can see on the shoreline just how quick we are freaking going. Yurt. Holy moly. Save some gas, right? Might as well. Journey home. Who needs gas? Just take the river. See how this goes. All right, guys. Well, we made it back to Toronto, the beautiful city that it is. Look at it there. Oh, it's so nice. Great skyline. Anyways, that was an incredible trip up the Niagara River. It was a bit rough going across Lake Ontario, but I can now say I've crossed a Great Lake from one side to the other. That's not bad. So that pretty much is going to wrap it up. We're just going to pull the boats in. We're just parked over in the harbor here, so we'll pull them out and call it a day and stuff like that. So appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was fun for you guys. Like I said, it's nothing quite like getting out on the water and stuff like that. So appreciate all the likes that you've been giving it, all the views that you've been giving it. Make sure you continue to click that like button and that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. And again, it's just thanks again for coming along for all these rides we've been doing. So until the next one, be safe out on the water. Have a great time. Peace.